Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a Bosch AQT rotary drain cleaning hose, and I just want you to check the type of connector that you've got on your pressure washer. In other words, on the lance, because you're going to remove the lance and then you're going to plug in this connector so that you've got trigger gun control of the drain cleaning nozzle. But just double check, because this type of coupling is only going to connect to AQT pressure washers. That's the old style Bosch fitting, which if you look at it next to it, it's a lot smaller than the AQT, and this is the AQT connector. So this particular drain hose has a rotating nozzle on it, so there's three jets that rotate out sort of like in a coil. And the brass section there spins, allowing the nozzle to drive forward and to make sure that it actually cleans every part of the inside of the drain. It's a nice flexible hose. It's a reinforced rubber braided hose, and it's rated up to 180 bar at 60 degrees C. So yeah, that's mainly for cold water pressure washers. We do this in quite a few different lengths as well. We do 4 meters, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20, right up to 30 meters. And my advice would be to get a slightly longer length than you think you need. That way you can use it for other jobs as well. And that is the flexible drain cleaning hose for the Bosch AQT pressure washers.